Hi guys and girls, Boris girlfriend. Guys, today I would like to show you beach club apartment, 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, beach club 2. You wanna see what is inside of the unit. It has 1458 square feet under AC. It has 1 assigned parking. Asking price 1,150,000, and maintenance it's 1,420 per month, and property tax around $14,000. Guys, let's see what's going on inside, and I'll give you my opinion. I would love to listen to your comments. Let's see what is unit worth or not. Okay guys, welcome to line 08 at Beach Club, building 2. Okay, so let me show you what is layout of those apartments, so you're gonna get idea what is looks like, and you're gonna get my opinion as a broker, which is, you know, maybe gonna give you some details which is you're not gonna see yourself. So AC unit is new, and I think it's replaced recently. So this is hallway in an entrance. You see the washer dryer, honestly hard used and should be replaced. Again, overall apartment, let's say from the 5 stars, I think 3.5, maybe 4, because everything like you're gonna see, guys, it's original condition, and it is north side, which is, you know, some people don't like to have a lot of sun, so they're choosing north side, so in the morning and during the day you can stay on a balcony. It's everything depends from your taste and what you like. So let's see the kitchen. Kitchen, guys, made originally. I cannot tell you, it was renovated, updated, everything original. It's good shape, it's clean, but guys, it need some upgrades. Appliances, everything original again, and people using this apartment, but I cannot tell you it's something which was made recently, some improvements. So regarding floor is okay. I cannot tell you it's, you know, porcelain, white or whatever, marble floor. It's simple tile floor, which can survive another couple years without changes. But you know, Miami like light and gloss, shiny stuff. So if you're looking for something to improve in this property, I would give you some advices, like, because this building allows 12 times per year rental. In this case, guys, you can make money from, and you can use yourself. This is a potential tower 2. So 1830 South Ocean Drive, guys. Always you have links below my video, which is you can see all inventory for sale, for rent, rented and sold. So you can teach yourself and educate what's happening in the building, what properties available in this building. Again, this is unit 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1458 square feet under AC. So this is full size 2 bedroom. There is other units, 1 bedroom and 1 den. There is unit 2 bedroom and den. So this is 1700 square feet units, or 1570 square feet units, 2 plus den. 2 models, line 11, line 03, line 04, 2 plus den. This 2, no den. Okay, so let's show you what is benefit of this unit. It has city view and ocean view. So you have both views. This is corner unit for this tower, and like I said, let's go again outside. You're gonna understand from inside what you're gonna see from your living room. So this is the ocean side, this is tower 3. So this is building between 2 towers. And line 06, it's exactly opposite side. I did videos previously, so this is north side. Line 06, it's exactly opposite side, south side. So guys, like you see now, it's around 12:30, so no sun, so you can sit on a balcony, drink your morning coffee. I mean, it's already lunch coffee, not morning, but anyway, so this is not so much sun in this apartment. And so let's go inside. Regarding furniture, guys, honestly, furniture doesn't worth any money because, like I said, this is vacation home. People want to come to 5 stars. So people who are looking to make this apartment as business, guys, you need to invest money and to make more decor, more luxury furniture and everything. So let's see other rooms and you're gonna get an understand idea what looks like bedroom. So from hallway you're gonna see bathroom, and this is main thing on this apartment. This is walk-through bathroom, which could be used for other guests bathroom and for the small bedroom. So this is actually not small bedroom. You can put 2 full-size beds. It has walk-in closet. It has the same connection to the same balcony, north side. Again, this apartment needs attention, guys. I understand you're gonna sell, Boris, what kind of furniture is it? Guys, furniture could be replaced with a wig. You can put everything what you want. You want to put decor, you want to paint it. Our team can help you with if you need it. And but again, size of this apartment is real true bedrooms. You have stand-up shower. So like I said, this good unit for investment, but need a little investment of your money and a lot of attention for decor. People love decor. When they're coming, this feeling has 5 stars. Decor, I mean pictures, towels, all these small toys which people feel as at home and gonna appreciate if you're gonna provide it. So this is nice size bathroom, which has jacuzzi, it has stand-up shower, it has bidet, and has everything toilet. So this is nice size, let's say luxury bathroom, which is you need to make some regrout, everything original, guys. If you want to spend a little money, let's say not a little, you can upgrade everything. What I paid attention, like you see, this is tile higher than original than the floor. Again, guys, it's small stuff which is I pay attention. Again, it means this tile, I'm sure, sitting on a concrete slab, and when people put new flooring, they put concrete on a mortar and tin set. So it's a little raising the floor, but it's make the same level as all floor the same level. Guys, I would like to have your comments signed from our channel. Again, this apartment asking price 1,150,000, and like I said, everything possible to negotiate in your benefit, and you just need to have trust in me, and welcome to come. Boris girlfriend, South Florida, Hallandale.